Hello everyone and welcome in today's video where we're going to learn about recursion and C++. So basically recursion is when a function calls itself. For example, we will make a function that will find its factorial. I don't know if you have learned this in math, but to find the factorial, it means we have given a number and this number will multiply it will multiply itself. And for example, we want to find the factorial of 5 times 4 minus then we go minus 1 times 3 times 2 times 1, and when we come to 1 it stops. So basically, let's make the functions and let's see what's recursion. So we're going to make a function called print something. And what we're going to do is see out something. Okay, and let's just call print something. Like we said, a recursion is when a function is printing itself. I mean, calling itself. So print something. Let's see what will happen. Oops, the app crashed. So this is called a while loop. And we don't want this to happen, so we don't want to call this. Like I said, an example for recursion is when we want to do something like to find a factorial from a number. To do that, I will show you what I'm talking about. For example, int factorial finder, and let's have a variable called x, and inside here let's make an if statement. If x is equal to 1, then we're going to return 1. Else, if x is not equal to 1, we're going to return x times factorial finder, and we're going to make x minus 1. So, as I told you, we are passing a factorial number, for example 8. And 8 times 8 minus 8 is 7. So 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 5 times 2 times 1. And simply when it will come to 1, we're going to return true. 1 means true. So let's go here and let's say factorial finder. Let's put 5, or let's put 8 for example. And when we run this, 40320. So when it calculates everything, we get this. Let's make let's put, like, for example 3, a smaller number. Let's run again. 6. So 3 times 2 times 1 is 6. So perfect. What is important that you guys know that recursion is when a function is calling itself. And this is an example of how to use recursion and how to not use recursion. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.